Today we are going to learn how to link a DVR to DVR or NVR remotely. Let's say you have a CCTV in your shop and you like to view the particular cameras on your home TV screen. This video will help you fix this issue. First, find out your router IP address as shown in this video. Once you have found the router IP address, go to your web browser and log into the router. First of all, you need to obtain the IP address and TCP port number of the DVR. Let's see how to find out the IP address and port number of the DVR. Click the web option to open the login page of the DVR. Log in with your username and password which you have created already. Before we begin the settings, we need to port forward the TCP port number on the router. Let's see how to port forward the TCP port number in the router. Let's check if the port is open or closed. To check this, you have to browse Port Check Tool on the internet. The port must be open to link the DVR. Now you have to configure the DDNS option in the router to able to link the DVR by domain name. For this you need to have a domain name from one of the service providers, DYNDNS or no IP. To get a domain name, you have to create an account with the provider and then buy the domain name. Once you have obtained the domain name, now you are able to set up the DDNS settings on the router, add the username, password and domain name, and then log in and save it. Now you are able to link the DVR to DVR and access the DVR remotely. Now let's see how to link the shop DVR to home DVR. Open the Smart PSS software and add the home DVR in the device list. Now open the settings, select cameras, remote device. Now select manual and add. Type the shop name, domain name, TCP port number, username and password, then save it. Done! We have successfully added the shop camera to home DVR. Please follow the same instructions for the following cameras too.